Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Zone in Cincinnati, Ohio. We have Dwell Impossibility for you today. A couple other lines too, but this one is so beautiful. We got the whole line, of course. There's a little metallic in there. You got your coral, you got your mustardy moss, you got your creamy white and your blacks and your charcoals. You got everything. It's great. And then we also have a panel to go with it. This is a panel with 4 different segments in it, and with that panel, here's what we did. We created a kit. Here's the kit. It's for this pattern, so you can make one of these wall hangings, which means you use one of the 4 components of the panel. You get the pattern, you get the panel, you get the stuff for your binding, and you get the charm pack. So you get everything you need to make the quilt top and the binding. And then we have plenty of yardage if you want to make more of them. So this is, we already sold a couple yesterday while we were making it. So get these while you can. Otherwise, pick and choose the fun fabrics. They're great. We're going to swing over here. Now, we've had Pixie Dots by QT before, but we went ahead and got some new colors in. They were super fun. And a little more muted, and we kind of like that idea of a little bit more muted there. So if you need a good blender or maybe a little offshoot of a polka dot, that might be a good option for you. Okay, Thatched. We already have the whole Thatched line. She came out with new Thatched colors. Obviously, we showed you the charm and the fat quarter bundle last week. Here they all are on the bolt. They're so pretty. Yes, we all want to pet them. Petting fabric is encouraged. All these as well. We got to get them. We just got them yesterday, I think. So we're still working on getting them all on the shelves, but some beautiful new colors in there for you to fill in a line that we obviously already love. Okay, lastly, from Studio M at Moda, we have the entire line of Whispers. This is some great creams on creams, whites on whites, grays with some white, just really beautiful prints that would be excellent for low volume, or you could even use some of these as backgrounds, which would be nice and fun and a little bit different. So that is a great new line as well. That's all our fabric for this week, but we do have the Fab Stash show this Sunday. Now, we all did daylight savings time last Sunday. But that's going to maybe affect your show time. We are now 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We are 3 hours ahead of Pacific, 2 hours ahead of Mountain, 1 hour ahead of Central. Got it? Okay, good. So Caleb and I will be on. We'll be doing our live show as normal. You have a little bit of time left till tomorrow night to post your block challenge block on the post that Caleb put up a couple of days ago. So you can put that up and then go through and like the ones you like, because the 3 top likes get a prize and entry to the next block challenge. And I think those are all the goodies for you this week. You got anything else, Caleb? He's shaking his head no. I don't know why he doesn't want to talk on the show. Anyways, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.